When you start a new task, when you have a new business you're trying to pursue productively and get the work done, it feels exciting, it feels new because it's novel. So this novelty, this newness that your brain is always craving is the secret hack to productivity that I'll be teaching you in this video. If you want every piece of work you attempt to feel exciting, contemporary, new and fresh, then this is the video for you to help you become productive and help you beat procrastination once and for all. Hello, I'm Dylan, I'm 18 and I coach lazy people to turn productive using tactical techniques and strategies that have changed my life forever. I went from a gamer who spent 5,000 hours of his life or 210 days straight playing Call of Duty and other such video games, and now I effortlessly and easily boost through large banks of my work for my business, education and personal development goals. And this is a strategy I use if I'm down bad, if I'm struggling to find motivation, struggling to find the discipline and drive to complete my tasks with efficient and effective ease. I use this strategy. And it's implementing novelty into the routine of work. So every single day I sit down, I edit videos, I make thumbnails, I record videos, I make short form content, and I content generate. I create new ideas for videos. And it gets boring. The novelty is not there. Sometimes I'm not excited to do the work. It doesn't feel like a fresh project to get into because it's boredom. It's day in, day out, day in, day out. And that's discipline and that's drive, and I can get it done because I have years under my belt of productivity. But for people who are new to productivity, new to being disciplined on the tasks they need to get done, this novelty tactic can be super effective. So how can you make the work feel more fresh, feel more contemporary, feel more exciting and new? And this is what I'm going to teach you. So tactic number one, rearrange your workspace. You'd be so surprised that if you simply just move your table into a different corner of the room you're working, you will be much more efficient and effective with completing your work productively because it feels new, it feels fresh. You're in a different corner of the room, you have different mindset because in this corner you're unproductive, in this corner you can be productive, you can finally beat procrastination. And just having the different scenery, having the different surrounding to look at will boost your productivity because it's new, it's novel, and it's neurologically different for the brain to visualize. So test it out. That's my challenge for you. Just move the table, move wherever you're working, and you'll see a shift in productivity. And this kind of links with tactic number two, in which is to go to a different environment. Go to a cafe, go to a library, go to somewhere different to do your work, and you'll find it easier to get it done because it's new, it's novel, it's fresh, it's contemporary, and you can get it done with efficient and effective ease as a result therefore, because it's different scenery, it's different surroundings, and if it's quiet rather than loud or loud rather than quiet, there's different visual, auditory stimulation. It's going to make your work different, fresh, exciting and new for you to get it done easily because your brain sees it as different to usual. It's breaking the routine, which if you're down bad in productivity can sometimes give you the motivation to get it done more effective. So secondly, to increase novelty in the work is to change your routine and mix it. So if you usually do your work in the morning, do something different in the morning, do it in the evening. Shift the time of when you're doing the work and it will feel different, new, exciting again, and you'll find this motivation to do it. So when you shift the time of doing your work, so if you do it at 10 a.m. in the morning, but you do it at 8 p.m. in the night, as long as it's feasible for your sleep routine, etc., sometimes you can get this new boost of motivation, of discipline and drive to do it because, again, it's different, it's novel, it's new, and it's fresh, making your brain think it's a different piece of work and giving you this new piece of dopamine excitement to get it done. Next up, you have different methods of the work you're completing. So obviously, if you're recording a video, you can only record the video. But if you're scripting, rather than writing it down on your computer or doing the work on your computer, get a notebook out and write it down with your hands, or speak it. Open up your notes on your computer and speak into the notes, and sometimes that can create the novelty to get the work done. So for me, I find this super effective because if I can't be bothered, if I can't find the motivation to write down and journal the trade I've just taken on the markets, I literally just open my phone, open my notes, click the microphone icon down the bottom and just speak everything I need to get down to record and journal the data from that trade. And I find that quite useful. So speaking instead of writing, or writing instead of speaking, or changing the mode of your writing can really add this zest back to the productivity, add this excitement back to your work. Furthermore, having subsets of work in different sections. So you have analytical and creative work. Me recording this video right now is creative work. However, me sending emails, me responding to emails, etc., is analytical work because you're writing, you're typing, it's formal work. So if you split the subsets, and if you're feeling burned out creatively, get into the work analytically, and then vice versa. If you're bored of writing emails, if you're bored of continuing the work that you need to get done for your schoolwork, switch to something more creative, some more creative work that you can think of for the business or the endeavor you're trying to pursue, and that can create novelty, creating productivity. And finally, the most important actionable step from this video is to take one from this video, implement it, try it for a week, and then rotate into the next one from this video. And have this system where each week you're doing something novel, until productivity and efficient and effective work will seep into your life and you'll find it easy to get the task done. I hope you find this useful. If you're looking to get more help from me, the productivity package in the description will change your life forever. It has everything you need to be productive. Exclusive guides, a free high quality physical planner, online habit tracking templates and tools for you and your productive journey. And depending on the package, you can have my personal phone number where I can hold your hand through this journey of battling procrastination, helping you reach the goals you want to succeed in. Thank you for watching.